the daddy gonna be like, okay, son, you got you a good one. This is that makeup look. If you want to impress the parents, if you want to impress the in-laws, woo woo, this the look.
It's time. Happy holiday with some Reshae. Time to celebrate with love, family, and gifts. Ooh. Happy holiday with some Reshae. Natural beauty, yeah, some Reshae.
Guys, today I wanted to do a minimal makeup look for you guys because I feel like the holidays is a perfect time, or just a time in general, where I feel like, you know, you go to meet the parents. Like, I don't know if you guys have someone special in your life, or you share like the holidays with another family or a family of your significant other. And so I wanted to give you guys like a minimal makeup look that is great to leave like a nice lasting impression on, you know, the family. So I'm just preparing myself in advance for when I meet my man's family. Whenever that happens, I'm preparing myself so I can come back and watch this tutorial. So my face is already moisturized. I don't have anything on except a little bit of lip gloss, and I had the lip gloss on because my lips be chapped. So I'm gonna start with my brows, and I'm using this e.l.f. I'm using this e.l.f. brow kit, and I don't believe this is on the site anymore, but they do have like the little 2-pan brow kit that has these same shades in it, and I'm just using the darkest 2 shades to fill in my brows. And this time I'm actually starting off with no brow glue. I'm gonna do brow glue after I do the powder. So we're really going for that all natural kind of vibe, that all natural kind of look, because we're meeting the parents and we want to make a great impression. Okay, so before filling in the tail ends of my brows, I'm gonna go in with my NYX brow glue. Okay, so that added more definition to the brows, and now that I have a little bit of that brow glue on the ends, I'm just gonna go in with the darkest shade and fill in the very end of my tail. I'm just gonna follow that up with my brow pen to add like hair-like strokes on the very end. Okay, so under the eyes, I'm gonna take my Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer. Just gonna take a little bit of this to conceal under my brows because this is a full coverage concealer. And now I'm gonna blend that out with my Q-tip. See how natural that looks? So next, I am going to do my base, which normally I don't do this first, but I'm gonna do it first this time. So for my base makeup, I am going to use a mix of my Fenty Beauty Eavesdrop. This is their blurring skin tint, and I am using it with my L'Oreal True Match. This is their Lumi Glow Lotion, or Glowtion, and this is in the shade Deep Glow. And I am aware that Fenty Beauty has like the Eavesdrop lid. I have not tried it just yet, but it's gonna give this a similar effect. So I'm gonna use a little bit of the skin tint, 2 drops on each side, not a lot at all. And then I'm gonna do a drop of the lotion on each side, and that's just gonna give you that glow from within, because I don't plan on doing like any highlighter because I really want it to glow from within. So I am gonna just blend this out, focusing on the lower half of my face because we're gonna conceal up under the eye. So I'm really just focusing this on the lower half. And of course, all like makeup is ultimately up to your discretion. So like if you have if you have acne scarring and things like that and you want to cover it, by all means use a full coverage foundation or a soft matte foundation or whatever you like. My skin is at the point where I think skin tints and tinted moisturizers do me justice, because it allows my skin to still look like skin but also give me coverage where I kind of look naturally flawless. So if you are a full coverage girly, by all means bust out that full coverage foundation and beat the face, okay? But for me, this is the makeup routine that I would do to meet the parents or meet someone's family. Okay, and as you see, like, it still is giving skin, but we also got some glow. With any excess that's on the brush, which is not much in this current moment, I'm just gonna tap over my forehead. And for bronzer today, I'm actually taking my Zoeva. This is the Zoeva Authentic Skin Perfector, and this is their retouch concealer in the shade Undeniable. And this one is close to my skin tone, but just a touch like warmer. So this is like a great bronzing shade for me, especially during the winter time where it looks more on the natural side. So I'm just putting it on the sides of my nose, over here like I normally do, and I'm gonna take this around the perimeter of my forehead. I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out before I add my concealer. So now my face is pretty much bronzed. For blush, I'm taking my She Glam. This is the Color Bloom Liquid Blush, and this is in the shade Devoted. And I'm just doing 2 stamps because, again, not too much. I'm trying to keep it pretty subtle. And then for concealer, we're taking that same Huda Beauty Overachiever concealer, and this is in the shade Peanut Butter 24G, and I'm just putting that under my eye. So I'm starting out blending out with a brush under the eye so I can control better where the concealer travels to. So I'm blending it out on the edges with a brush, and then I'll go back with a sponge and blend like right up under the eye. All right, so we're looking nice and natural. I like it. You can always go back in with your foundation brush or whatever brushes you use to blend out other things on your face to blend everything together. And now I'm gonna set my face with some setting powder, and I'm just gonna take my e.l.f. matte setting powder. This is in the shade Tan. All right, so the concealer is set. Now we're gonna set the rest of the face. I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty. This is the Pro Filter Soft Matte Powder Foundation, and this is in the shade 385. And I'm just gonna set the lower half of my face. And then I'm also gonna dust over the rest of the powder we just put down. Okay, I'm gonna take this Maybelline Super Stay. This is their new Super Stay Hybrid Powder Foundation. And I'm just gonna use this shade to kind of set where we bronzed on my face. I'm also gonna take this to just dust over my lids. So as you can see, we have a nice neutral, like, oh my gosh, flawless but natural look going on. I'll go ahead and spray this real quick, and I'm just taking my Stay All Day Blue Light Micro Setting Mist, and this is from e.l.f. And then I like a little Va Va Voom. If you want to keep it super like flush, you can use mascara, but I want to put on lashes, and I'm just gonna take my Demi Wispies from Kiss, And Demi Wispies are a great like natural lash that give you a little pop but not too much. Okay, so lashes are done. I'm gonna take my Lash Princess. This is the Curl and Volume Mascara from Essence, and I'm just gonna put a little bit up underneath, and then I'm gonna do my lower lash mascara. Today is not the day we mess up our lower lash mascara. Last but not least, we're gonna do our lips, and we're gonna use the same lip gloss that I had on, but we're just gonna put a lip liner on it to make it look more intentional. So this is my NYX. This is the Suede Matte Lip Liner in Downtown Beauty. Now you can put a color on top of this if you want, but I think my natural lip color looks fine, so I'm just taking my Ruby Kisses. This is the hydrating lip oil, and y'all, just for everyday wear, this lip oil is bomb.com. It's therapeutic, and I'm someone who be having crusty lips. I ain't gonna hold you, and I ain't gonna cap. My lips be crusty, so this has been like one of the lip glosses that actually does it for me, that really it doesn't give me just gloss, it actually moisturizes my lips. So that's my lips with the gloss on and just a lip liner, period. And I think that looks great. I'm gonna show y'all the face. This is the face, and I'm actually gonna put my wig on, y'all, because we're not going nowhere like this. Y'all ain't even see my wig cap. Alright, y'all, so this is the finished look. I threw on one of my TTG wigs. This wig is trained to go. All you do is plop it on, and it's giving my natural hair. So y'all comment below if you guys would try out this look when you go to meet the parents. Do it look like I'm ready to meet the parents? Because I think this is giving, it's giving mature, it's giving, hey ma. It's giving, oh my goodness, I'm his little precious innocent girlfriend. Is that what it is? It giving precious innocent girlfriend? Y'all let me know. I think this face, the lip gloss is giving, she got a little spice, okay? But outside of that, I really think this is a great look to meet the rinse. Y'all let me know if it look like I'm ready to meet the rinse in the comment section below. I love you guys so much. I really hope y'all been enjoying Vlogmas. I can't wait to see y'all tomorrow. Peace.